Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to fit flat head studs with our green machine. We'll start off with our die set. So the flat stud die is going to come in two parts. This is your base die. This is going to hold your backing pin. That goes into the bottom of your machine. This is your top die. This is actually going to hold the stud itself. That screws into the top of your machine. We're going to take the backing pin and we're going to put this into our base die here with the pin pointing upwards. And then here is our flat head. This is going to go face up into our top die. I'm going to take some material that I've got. We're going to put that in between the two dies and we'll compress that down. And there we have our flathead with our backing pin on the rear.